How to make a smooth transition in Capcut on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add transitions between clips for a cleaner and more polished edit. First, open the Capcut app on your Android device and start a new project. After that, add the video you want to edit to the timeline. From there, play through the video and find the exact point where you want to add a transition. Then tap Split to cut the clip at that point. At this point, you'll now see two separate clips on the timeline, with a small icon in between them. In the next step, tap on that icon in the middle of the two clips to open the Transitions menu. Following this, browse through the available transitions and tap on any one to preview how it looks between your clips. Once done, select the transition you like and adjust the duration if needed to make it feel as smooth as possible. From here, tap Add to apply the transition to your clip. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, tap Export at the top right corner and wait for Capcut to process and save the video to your gallery. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a smooth transition in Capcut on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Capcut tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.